Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Today's project is my April 2023 Order Club card kit. And this is the card. You will receive all the bits and pieces to make it. It features the Hey Handsome card making workshop. So this is a stamp and thin cut set. You can, I believe, get just a stamp set. Nope, I take that back. When it's the card making workshop, you get the whole Megillah here. You have to buy the workshop in order to get this particular stamp and thin cut set. Fancy brackets, love those, use those a lot. Black ink, and I will show you what comes in your kit. You have an envelope and a card base, a piece of, let's see here, 5 1/4 by 4 inch pattern paper, and this is from the Hey Handsome paper pack. Here is that fancy bracket, and then this is the little pocket you see here. Isn't that cute? I love the stitch detailing on that. I think that is adorable. Then I cut out a pair of little glasses. And here is the pen. First thing we need to do is do some stamping. This is a super easy card to put together. All the pieces will come pre-stamped for you. And let's get our black ink out. And I'm going to ink up the pen. And hopefully I won't get my head in the way too much. I am using the little foamy pad. This little foam pad comes in each of the Close to My Heart stamp sets. It gives you a nice cushion, and hopefully you get a nice looking image. And here is the sentiment I did. Thanks for being you. I think that works for anyone. I'm done with the ink. And now we will assemble. These pieces in your card kit already come stamped, so you're ready to go. You just have to put the pieces together. So I am going to take my bone folder and give a nice little crease to my card base. And then I have a piece of pattern paper. I just think that's a really neat pattern paper. It looks like suit material. And I'm watching the 3 sides, the top, the open side, and the bottom. Get that on there. I am going to put some foam on this, but I'll do that after I get these goodies glued on. I am going to use glue. You could use tape runner. No biggie if you're using the tape runner. And I'm just attaching, so you'll want to attach that. And we can put this on. So run a little bit of glue or tape runner on there. And I'm lining up the point of the pocket with the point of the bracket. Just doing some eyeballing there. You can put it up as high or as low as it'll work for you and as what looks pleasing to your eyes. And then you do need to put some glue or tape runner on your glasses. And I'm going to butt them up next to the words. Hold them in place for a second. I tried to be a little bit stingy with my glue. And I'm going to flip that over, and we're going to put a little tape on here, some foam tape. And this is something I think I bought off of Amazon. You can use foam dots or whatever floats your boat and makes your stuff stick together the way you like it. And you have to peel the backer off of it. Okay. And I'm going to eyeball center it. Just like that. And that's it. That's all there is to wiggly wiggly. That's all there is to putting this card together. Isn't that fun and cute? And thanks for being you. If you needed to, you could do, Happy Father's Day, Happy Birthday. Thank you so much. Whatever you want to stick on the inside, or leave it blank and just write a note. I think it works really well. Thank you so much for your orders in April. Have a blessed crafty day. Thanks for watching.